Welcome to the World Drone Market Channel. Today we present the Skydroid C10 Pro first-person view test video. The C10 Pro is a compact high-definition 3-axis gimbal equipped with a brand new camera system and a high-definition distortion-free lens. It supports 1080p real-time video transmission, delivering an authentic and immersive viewing experience. With powerful 2K video recording and photo capture capabilities, it allows you to capture every beautiful moment in stunning detail. The Skydroid C10 series serves as a versatile imaging solution for numerous unmanned systems, including multirotor drones, fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, VTOL aircraft, boats, cars, submarines, and more. Using an industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization structure, the C10 Pro dramatically reduces image shake, ensuring stable and level footage, no more tilted horizon. With its lightweight design of only 61 g, it minimizes payload burden and is suitable for a wide range of platforms and vehicle sizes. That concludes our Skydroid C10 Pro first-person view test video. Thank you for watching and supporting us. See you in the next video.